and Love, the youngest sister of the bride, and the maid of honor. Ate Jewel, where do I even start? The kind of person who does every single thing with her full heart. She needs everything to be perfect. Her plans are always on point, and she is just perfect as tries to make everything else. But more than that, she got this pure big heart, a talented, hardworking, responsible, and beautiful woman she is. Ate Jules, I promise that I will always have your back to stand up for you and for your future babies. And I will never break that. And my new Kuya Christian, I would like to officially welcome you to our family and thank you for loving my ate. Um, we witnessed how you pursued our sister by visiting as her one of her friends, but little did we know that's for her. For me, you're the best man for her. On behalf of my family, I want you to know that we admire your persistence, patience, and your effort you showed to get your sister's heart. The coolest part, I was the first one to know that you two made it official. Because nabasa ko yung message niya. Yung unang lang tawagan is mahal. Even though you guys don't know about it, I grew up watching your story unfold from the courting stage, asking the hand for marriage, proposal, wedding preparations, and up to this very special day. Every step, we are there with both. 18 years of waiting, and now the day is here. It's like I'm living my own life. Like Isaiah 60 verse 20 says, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. And I believe that. I can finally say that our princess has finally found a prince, and soon they build their own little kingdom full of clouds and maybe even some tiny prince and princesses of their own. Ate Jules and Kuya Christian, the both of you deserve this every bit of happiness. Congratulations to the both of you. Here's to a lifetime of laughter and perfect moments together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, our leader. So, our best man. Okay.
Hello, so. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, mga bisita. May masasabi ko lang sa kuya, bilang bilang kapatid ng group, saksi ako kung paano siya lumaki sa kanyang mga pangarap, pagkakamali at tagumpay. At ngayon, masaya ako makita na nagagpuan na niya ang taong makakasama niya habang buhay. Kuya Christian, ang payo ko lang sa iyo bilang kapatid, mahalin mo ang asawa mo ng buong puso. Pakinggan mo siya, igalang at piliin mo siya araw-araw, kasaya at sa hamon ng buhay. Ate Julie, salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa kuya ko. Simula ngayon, hindi ka na lang asawa niya, kundi bahagi ka na ng aming pamilya. Naway, ang pagsasama ninyo ay puno ng pag-unawa, respeto at walang hanggang pagmamahal. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa at cheers sa isang masaya at matibay na pagsasama. Ate Julie and Kuya. Happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you both.
Thank you so much, our best man, and to all the guests. So we request everyone, itaas po natin ating mga glasses or any drinks in front of you and to give a toast to our newlywed couple. In 3, 2, 1, say cheers! Mabuhay ang gentlemen, dire-diretso na po tayo for our meal time. So meron po tayong mga sequence of photo opportunities. So meron po kami mga sunod-sunod na number na tatawagin. So our coordinators will approach you to have your souvenir photo together with our couple. Ayan, since our VIP 1 and VIP 2, sila po ay kumakain. Kumain muna natin our table number 4. Dito po tayo sa harapan. Table number 4.